Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Triple Whale only way. Start by gathering ad account logins, Shopify or other store credentials, and your payment platform details, then make a list of key events you want tracked. Next, create a mapping document that links campaigns to revenue goals and UTM conventions. Keep naming consistent across platforms to avoid duplication. Finally, review data flow and set alerts for missing events to maintain integrity. Begin by signing into Triple Whale and navigating to the integrations area where you will add ad platforms and e-commerce stores. Use admin-level access or API keys to ensure stable data pulls and confirm permissions during each connection step. After authorizing, verify that initial data sync completes without errors and that order volumes match your store reports. If discrepancies appear, check time zones, filters, and UTM tagging to troubleshoot quickly and proactively. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car because life's too short for a stinky commute while you troubleshoot tracking. It's a small perk that makes setup sessions more pleasant and keeps you focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Set up event mapping by naming the actions you want tracked and matching them to Triple Whale event slots. Choose server-side events for accuracy when possible, but supplement with browser events to capture client context like cookies and session details. Run live tests with low-cost purchases or sandbox orders to ensure events register and attributes like revenue, coupon, and SKU are correct. Keep a QA checklist and recheck after major site updates or add changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.